coming to you live from Vancouver, the OpenStack Summit.
It is the most amazing location.
Vancouver's lovely.
Vancouver is beautiful. I mean, it's just a great city.
There are over 6,000 people here. We have a ton of Rackers here attending the sessions and really just participating in the community.
I am co-chairing the core committee with Rob Hirschfeld.
I've been going to the keynotes and a bunch of design sessions so far.
This week has largely been about meeting with customers for me.
There's a lot of people here from all around the world that I don't get to see ever until I get to a summit.
I've actually been hitting the ground, meeting a bunch of different individuals, software developers and DevOps and Linux engineers and cloud architects and everything cloud known to man.
We have a 10 by 20 booth premiere space with a lot of questions on private cloud, what are offerings on private cloud, OpenStack, and of course the James Denton book signing has been a huge hit with attendees lining up 20 minutes before the book signing starts.
I'm actually here to help promote my book that was released in October 2014 called Learning OpenStack Networking.
This is actually my 5th OpenStack Summit. This particular summit, I think there's been a ton of interest in containers.
I had the pleasure Tuesday to represent Rackspace at the keynote session to introduce Magnum, a new containers as a service software for OpenStack.
Many of you know what a PTL is, but it's really the leader of an OpenStack project. So we're blessed to have one in our midst here.
This is like my 7th summit, and every time I come, it just gets bigger, bigger, and better and better.
There's lots of excitement around OpenStack, and it is super awesome to be watching the public cloud market taking off.
There's still a lot of excitement around OpenStack, a lot of new people coming into the fold.
This summit had more energy than any of the 10 previous design summits that I've attended.
If you weren't able to come to Vancouver, the thing that you missed was the palpable sense of excitement, the growth of the community, the fact that you couldn't even see the back of the hall where the keynotes were being held. There was an amazing number of people here, and all of them working on OpenStack, this thing that we started. And that is an amazing feeling to know that we helped grow this from this little seed into this giant community.
Rackspace has a sense of humble leadership. Rackspace has an undercurrent throughout all the talks. Everybody kind of ties in what Rackspace has done, how they worked with Rackspace in the past.
Pantheon runs very proudly on an OpenStack foundation powered by Rackspace, actually.
And it's really inspiring to watch, to see, and to listen. We're doing great work, and the world is realizing it and recognizing it, and we really left our print on OpenStack and on the world as a result.
If you can ever make it to OpenStack Summit one of these days, you should.